Detroit did not become the center of the car age because one inventor appeared there with a single brilliant idea. It became a manufacturing city because skilled workers, machine shops, suppliers, investors, rail connections, and neighborhoods were already learning how to make complicated things together. At the start of the 20th century, car makers needed metalworking skill, reliable parts, and people who could turn experiments into repeatable production. Detroit offered networks of foundries, toolmakers, carriage builders, and industrial workers who could adapt to a new product without starting from nothing. Ford Motor Company was incorporated in 1903, but the story was never Ford alone. Dozens of firms, parts suppliers, mechanics, and competing automakers made the region a dense workshop where designs, labor, and money moved quickly between companies. The Model T was conceived and first produced at the Piquette Avenue plant. Its importance was not simply that it was popular. It was designed to be practical, repairable, and buildable at a scale that connected a factory floor to customers far beyond Detroit. At Highland Park, the moving assembly line reorganized the work of making a car. Parts came to workers in a planned sequence, raising output but also setting the pace of the day. The system turned individual tasks into a coordinated production process. That productivity created new jobs and pulled people toward Detroit. Migrants from the South, immigrants from abroad, and workers from nearby industrial towns sought wages and opportunity, while families built churches, clubs, shops, and neighborhoods around a city changing at extraordinary speed. For many Black workers during the Great Migration, Detroit offered openings that were often better paid than work available in the Jim Crow South. Yet opportunity existed alongside discrimination, crowded housing, unequal access, and workplace hierarchies. Industrial growth did not distribute its benefits evenly. Factory work also carried a cost. Repetitive jobs, noise, speed, injuries, and conflict over wages and control made the auto plants places of strain as well as advancement. Workers organized because the assembly line made their labor central, but it also made their conditions hard to ignore. Detroit's success reshaped transportation, consumer life, and cities across the country. But the larger lesson is not that cars made Detroit powerful by themselves. A region of people, skills, institutions, and connected industries made mass production possible. The system also changed the city beyond the plant gate. Roads, dealerships, repair shops, and suppliers tied factory output to daily life, while housing and public services struggled to keep pace with rapid growth. Detroit's industrial power was therefore both a national business story and a local argument about who benefited from expansion. That is why Detroit ruled the car age. Its factories mattered, but so did the workers who operated them, the communities that sustained them, and the conflicts that revealed who paid the price of industrial progress.